Ever wondered how AI is changing the world of 3D art? These days, artificial intelligence is helping artists. AI assists artists in planning characters, generating references, animating motion, and polishing final scenes, faster and more creatively. But AI doesn't replace traditional skills. Instead, it handles repetitive tasks, freeing up artists for design and storytelling. The best results happen when old-school tools blend with AI support. Artists get the best of both worlds. For instance, an artist creates a character from a text prompt, then uses modeling software to refine details. Finally, AI enhances lighting or textures. The result is a polished and visually striking 3D scene. AI-assisted workflows can speed up concept art, character creation, 3D modeling, animation, and rendering significantly. These tools simplify complex steps. Now, you can estimate human motion from video or generate materials from prompts. Still, artists keep creative control over crucial elements. Story and style always remain in human hands. If you're starting out, try AI for creating concept art or quick 3D props and speed up your workflow. Remember, AI outputs provide great starting points, but usually need tweaking to look just right. By using AI wisely, 3D artists in cities like City Keyword gain creative freedom to bring their visions to life. Please like and subscribe to 3dartschool.com. Thanks for watching!